Welcome back to Motorsphere, your home for everything two-wheeled and thrilling. Today, we are diving into one of the most anticipated machines of the year, the 2025 TVS Apache RR3 10S. With cutting-edge design, enhanced performance, and smart tech integration, the RR3 10S is here to redefine what it means to ride in the entry-level sport bike segment. Evolution of the beast. TVS has steadily refined the Apache RR3 10 since its debut, and in 2025, they've pushed the limits further with the RR3 10S. The S doesn't just stand for sport, it signals a step up in sharpness, sophistication, and speed. With inputs from TVS Racing Division, this version brings a race-derived edge to everyday riding. Design and aerodynamics. The 2025 RR3 10S features a refreshed aerodynamic profile inspired by supersport machines. It now sports a more aggressive fairing, sleeker LED DRLs, and a race-style tail section. The new wind tunnel-tested design improves airflow, offering better stability at high speeds and reduced drag, perfect for track days or spirited highway rides. Engine and performance. Under the fairing lies the same 312 cubic centimeters reverse-inclined engine, but with improved internals and updated mapping. It now delivers a crisper throttle response and slightly higher peak torque, giving riders a more exhilarating experience. The revised gearing and slipper clutch ensure smoother shifts, especially when downshifting aggressively. Tech and features. The RR3 10S is smarter than ever. The new TFT display is more vibrant and customizable, featuring turn-by-turn navigation, ride analytics, and Bluetooth connectivity. Riding modes urban, rain, sport, and track have been fine-tuned for more precise control. Dual-channel ABS and glide-through technology enhance safety and ease in traffic. Ride and handling. Chassis dynamics have also seen refinement. With adjustable suspension now standard, riders can tailor the bike to suit their style, whether commuting, canyon carving, or track riding. The Michelin Road 6 tires provide superior grip in all conditions, giving the RR3 10S exceptional cornering confidence. Final thoughts. The 2025 TVS Apache RR3 10S isn't just an upgrade, it's a bold statement. It blends practicality with performance and style, making it an ideal machine for riders who want it all. Whether you're stepping into the sport bike world or seeking a compact thrill machine, the RR3 10S delivers on every front. Stay tuned to Motorsphere for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and riding stories. Ride safe, ride smart, and we'll see you in the next one.